covered 3 so far. The fourth one is fire and safety. You got Fluffy and Momo at home, your dog and cat. Well, actually for us, it's Ozzy and Cocoa Bean, 2 cats. So they're in the house, so you have that little smoke detector. You have the regular ones, which are fine, and they're gonna make noise, etc. But it's like a nose on the wall, if you think of a security system like a body. The nose is there sniffing out the smoke or the carbon monoxide, and then you have the little stickers that says cat, dog, etc. For many people, cats and dogs are like their family members. I got a guy with a house on the shore, 2 big dogs. He doesn't care about the security system. He's got those smoke detectors that'll call the fire department. So he said, Doug, get him in there ASAP. Not only that, he's getting a discount on his insurance. You have a monitored security system, you've got smoke detectors, you're gonna get a discount, 5 to 20% on your insurance. So who's our insurance guy? So there you go. So basically, talk to him and see what kind of a discount you can get from a monitored security system and also adding the smoke detector. So life safety. And that's serious. There are documented cases and commercials that every security company has used where lives have been saved. The guy on the couch smoking, he fell asleep, cigarette fell on some upholstery, fire broke out. Next thing you know, they're breaking down the door, saving him. And that brings me to my 5th point, home automation. Most of our systems now integrate with the doorbell cameras, integrate with the cameras, integrate with the thermostats, with the locks. Now, why do I bring locks into life safety? The 5th reason of home automation is because of the fact that they are smarter systems these days. If there's a fire, it can turn off the thermostat to stop the air from blowing through your house, to feed the fire, and open up your door at the same time. That's how smart they are. So the smoke detector goes off, there's a fire, so allowing you to get out, and also not destroying your door because the fire department is chopping down your door or breaking your door in because the system is unlocking your door to let them in event of a fire. You can set that up. And there's many different things that you can do to have your system work with the way that you're living your life. I have an attorney right now who's a customer, and he set up 2-way voice and a camera inside so he can talk to his kids because he's working all the time. A way of being home when you're not at home. Not to mention applications for small business owners where if they lost their assets, they're gonna have to restart again. One guy lost $3,000 because his business was rehabbing houses. They broke in, stole the copper pipes, the plumbing, the toilets and everything. He called me, he said, and every time he gets a house, as long as there's permanent power, I will put a security system in because it's not phone line dependent or internet dependent. So we put the system in there for him, and there's a camera in the keypad so he can even actually take pictures without any kind of phone or internet access from the app on his phone, and he loves it.